Eating Grandma's meatballs and sauce. It's not spaghetti. This one's macaroni. Yeah. Got me a macaroni. Stick it in, stick it in. You can eat it. It's not a toy. You can eat it. There we go. Got me a meatball. Yay! Yummy, huh, Thomas? You like that, huh? Good, huh, Daddy? Yummy meatballs. Couple of macaronis. We are now entering the more messy stage of eating. Oh, and yes, I'm sure you can see the bruise on his head. He took a header off the bed the other day. Bummer. You can eat it, Thomas. You don't have to play with it. Yeah. Oh, that one got away. I do it myself, Dad. Yeah. He seems to put the meat in his mouth, but the pasta stays in his hand. You can eat it. Don't squish it. Just eat it. Yay! You just had to find the right piece. Got a pretty full mouth there, huh? Hey, look up. Eat off your plate. There's that macaroni again. I'm gonna play with that thing. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it. Ooh, more meatballs appearing on my plate. Mmm, yummy. Want to eat another piece, Thomas? There.
Are those too big?
I think that the one in the middle is too big.
This one?
Yeah. You need some more? You gonna finally eat that pasta? Oh.
Oh.
Good boy. Take one for each hand.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry.
I got it. Well, I do myself.
Gonna need that. Oh, Jesus.
What's down there? Oh, a little bit of debris.
Share?
Share? You share with Daddy? Oh, good job. Yummy.
Thank you. You got anything else? I'm still hungry.
Hey, you can have some meat too.
I got it.
You can have some of that.
Thank you.
Okay, now Thomas, eat.
Your turn.
Good boy.
Slow down. No, chew it.
Good boy. Checking it out.
That's what you call a flavor punch.
This is called what?
Flavor punch.
Flavor punch.
When it does that. Whoa! Got smacked by some flavor punch.
It's like those goldfish that are blasted with like Parmesan cheese and pizza. Okay, eat another piece. Stop playing. Eat another piece. Oh, I'm just gonna squish that one.
Just gonna show it who's boss.
Oh, did that get in my hand? Okay. Signing off for tonight.